I'm going to walk you through the 7 most expensive mistakes first-time buyers make, because most people only discover them after they've already signed. In fact, these mistakes can cost you up to $10,000 or more. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers understand the common pitfalls to avoid. You will learn how to navigate the home buying process, avoid overspending, and understand the importance of credit scores. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions as a first-time home buyer. What is the first mistake first-time home buyers make? The first mistake is not checking their credit score, which can lead to higher interest rates on their mortgage. In fact, a credit score of 700 or higher can save you up to 1% on your interest rate, which translates to $2,000 per year on a $200,000 mortgage. How much should I budget for my first home? As a first-time home buyer, it's essential to budget at least 30% of your income for housing costs, including mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance. For example, if you earn $50,000 per year, you should budget at least $15,000 per year for housing costs. What is the importance of inspecting my future home? Inspecting your future home can save you up to $5,000 in repair costs. In fact, a home inspection can reveal hidden issues such as termite damage or foundation problems, which can be costly to repair. How long does the home buying process take? The home buying process can take up to 60 days, but it's essential to be patient and not rush into a decision. In fact, rushing into a decision can lead to mistakes, such as overspending or not inspecting the property thoroughly. What are the common pitfalls to avoid as a first-time home buyer? Common pitfalls to avoid include not budgeting for closing costs, which can range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price, and not negotiating the price of the home. In fact, negotiating the price can save you up to $10,000 or more. How can I avoid overspending on my first home? To avoid overspending, it's essential to stick to your budget and not get caught up in the excitement of buying a home. In fact, overspending can lead to financial stress and even foreclosure. As a first-time home buyer, avoiding common mistakes such as overspending is crucial to ensuring a smooth home buying process. What are the final tips for first-time home buyers? Final tips include working with a reputable real estate agent, getting pre-approved for a mortgage, and not skipping the home inspection. By following these tips, you can avoid common first-time home buyer mistakes and ensure a successful home buying experience. Don't forget to download our free first-time home buyer checklist to avoid common pitfalls. Click the link in the description below to get instant access. And if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more first-time home buyer content.